cleanup efforts continuing in Albay. That's after the massive ash fall from Mayon volcano over the weekend. But more than the clearing operation, residents are reeling from the massive destruction of this event. More from News 5's Mon Gualvez.
News 5 went to Barangay Tumpa in Kamalig, Albay, one of the villages closest to the 6-kilometer permanent danger zone around Mayon volcano. Ash flew around as we navigated the roads, with visibility turning zero several times. Houses are covered in thick ash, with effort of some residents to clean up all in vain. But the agriculture sector here is probably the hardest hit so far. Our drone videos showed massive damage. A petchay farm turned white from the heavy ashfall. And palay stalks due for harvest at the end of the months now destroyed. We chanced upon Arnel, a farmer harvesting okra from the land he's tilling. Whatever he gets here is no longer for selling and can only be used as fertilizer.
Di naman bibilin yan.
Bakit?
Abo na sir. Wala nang
Hindi na
bibilin yan.
maagapan?
Hindi na. Pag ganyan, wala na yan. Tuyo na yan. Bago lang asphalt sana kunin ko yan.
O kaso?
Wala na. Hapon na eh.
Wherever we looked, destruction. What now for these farmers?
Pagkakataon na sana para kumita eh. Yung dapat sana is nasa 20K kada isang harvest is nawala na.
In Barangay Tumpa alone, about 100 farmers have been affected by the Mayon ashfall. The local government is now considering a cash for work program as assistance while cleaning up at the same time.
Hindi pwedeng isa, dalawa, tatlong araw lang linisin yung mga sa barangay natin na talagang heavily affected. Habang may dumadaan na kalsada, sasakyan, talagang sumasabay sa hangin ang alikabok. Then kung mula naman, medyo delikado din sa mga sasakyan, lalo na sa mga motor, at madulas ito. Kaya kailangan po ito matanggal.
In the nearby town of Ginubatan, it's virtually gray everywhere. Cleanup operations are in full swing and this is already straining water resources.
Yung source baga namin, puro nasa spring din. Hindi naman kami nag-ano ng mga water treatment. Magde-develop din po ang LGU ng other sources, water sources, para ma-augment yung shortage po ng ng tubig po. Siyempre yung mga fire hydrant namin, doon kukuha yung mga fire truck natin sa mga constituents kasi siyempre nagrereklamo ng mahina.
In Barangay Miisin, Daraga, there are thick volcanic deposits from pyroclastic density currents or uson, which are more than 100 meters deep and have buried the gully and grasslands. The area is near the extended danger zone and there may be need to evacuate sooner than later.
That's in the boundary of the 6 kilometers permanent danger zone. Pero maraming nagtatanim doon. So in that area, medyo malapit yun sa mga barangays in the extended 7, 8 hanggang 10 kilometers. Pag hindi natin ito na agapan, hindi natin ito bilang aksyon, delikado na sa next lahar flow, baka bumaba pa ito.
But there could be more ashfall according to FIVOX.
Habang patuloy yung paglabas ng lava, yung panibagong lava na lumalabas, itinutulak niya po yung mga naunang lava na nailabas. Yung dulo po nito, eventually, dahil very unstable siya, may magtitipak-tipak po or matitipak po yun. At ito na nga, nagdulot ng malaking uson and then nagdulot din ng malawak na ashfall or pagbagsak ng abo.
For News 5, Mon Gualvez, we are One News.